In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from TradingView to Excel. This can be a huge time saver for those who need to analyze their trading strategies and track their paper trading progress. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, following these steps will help you seamlessly transfer your data into Excel for further examination. To get started, we'll first need to head over to the TradingView website. Make sure you're using a reliable web browser such as Chrome or Firefox, which will provide the best functionality and compatibility with TradingView. Once there, you'll need to log into your account to access all the available features on the platform. Simply enter your username and password, and you should soon find yourself at the TradingView dashboard. With your account open and ready to go, take a look for the paper trading option. It's typically found on the toolbar towards the bottom of your screen. Paper trading is a great way to simulate trading strategies without risking real money, and TradingView provides a robust feature set for this purpose. Clicking on Paper Trading will lead you to your trading dashboard, where you can view all of your mock positions and trades. Once you are on the Paper Trading dashboard, you'll notice a series of options and menus. Look for an arrow pointing downward. It may be small, so keep an eye out and click on it once you find it. This arrow is essentially an action button that will give you several options regarding your data. Upon clicking the arrow, you'll find the Export option in the drop-down menu. This feature is crucial as it allows you to download your trading data for further analysis. Now that you have the Export options open, select the Positions choice. This selection will ensure that you're downloading information about your trading positions and activity, which is what we want to analyze in Excel. Once you've chosen Positions, you can proceed to click the Export button to start downloading the data. At this point, your trading data should begin downloading to your computer as a CSV file. These files are easily compatible with Excel, allowing you to open, manipulate, and analyze your trading data as needed. If Excel doesn't automatically open the file, you can navigate to your Downloads folder, find the CSV file, and manually open it with Excel. In summary, exporting your trading data from TradingView to Excel is a simple and effective way to analyze and improve your trading strategies. By logging into your TradingView account, heading to the paper trading dashboard, utilizing the export function, and downloading your positions data, you can seamlessly transfer valuable insights into a format that's easy to use and interpret within Excel. Happy trading, and best of luck with your analysis.